Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this winner's choice. First place gets to choose between the Expeditus, the E-Track, or the Excalibur. Let's get this party started. We are live. 1018. 1018. Got the list here. We got 8 entries. Bruno on the top. Sheldon on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. 5 times. 5 times at 1018. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 times, we got Sheldon on the top. Must go 5. Good luck at 1018. 1018. Last and final roll. Top spot gets to choose between these 3 detectors. Who will it be? Congratulations goes to spot 1, Bruno. Congratulations, Bruno. Send me a PM with your choice. We are done at 1019. 1019. Congratulations, Bruno. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.